What's up, dolls? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's set, we're doing a blue and green swirly French tip design. You know, right now, like the line work with the swirly lines and also like the marble tips is really in right now. So I decided to do this set for this video. If you are new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and smash that notification bell. That way every single time I drop a new video, you'll be notified. And if you're returning back to my channel, thank you so much for coming back. And without further ado, let's jump right into the video. As you guys saw in the beginning of the video, I added my dehydrator and primer onto her natural nails. I will definitely post a picture of the dehydrator and primer somewhere here in the video, and it will also be linked in my Amazon store down below in the description box. So if you don't have a dehydrator or primer, then you could go down there and copy one. So right now I'm just adding the acrylic powder onto her nails by doing the 3-ball method, and I'm going to repeat the same process for all 10 nails. So for this part, I'm going to draw the smile line with the blue gel polish. So I'm going to switch between the colors. Right now I'm going to do the dark blue, and then I'm going to switch to the mint green, and then I'm going to switch to the light blue. I just prefer doing it this way because it's just easier for me to achieve this design. Also, I like to separate the colors because when I'm about to do the swirls, I like when the colors are spread out rather than it being in one spot of the nail. So I'm going to just repeat the same process for all 10 nails. So for each nail, after I'm done doing the lines of each color, I'm going to get my dotting tool and I'm going to start creating my swirls through all of the colors to create a marble design. Also, the dotting tool that I'm using in the video, I got it from Amazon, and you can get it from my Amazon storefront in the description box below. So I personally like filing the tip of the nails because when you're working with gel polish, it can leak to the tip of the nails and you can lose your shape like that. So after I'm done curing the nails in the UV light, I like to get my 100 grit hand file and just file the tip of the nails. That way my shape is crisp, and I'm just going to repeat the same thing for all 10 nails. Now for this part right here, I'm using white gel polish. This is a gel polish brand from Amazon. If you are interested in getting the same gel polish, it will be in my Amazon storefront in the description box below. So what I'm basically doing, I'm just going to get the white gel polish and outline the smile line, because I feel like when I outline the smile line, it really makes the swirl design pop. So I'm basically going to do the same process for all 10 nails. Now that I'm done outlining the smile line, I'm going to apply my Bossy Gel non-wipe top coat onto the nails, and I'm going to wipe the sides of the nails so that way I don't lose my shape. So I'm going to apply some cuticle oil because, you know, during the process of doing the nails, you know, the cuticles could get a little crusty. Okay, so you want to add some cuticle oils and just massage it in, and then voila, you're done. So this is the final results. I really enjoy doing this set. It's very pretty. It's giving me like ocean vibes, like the waves, you feel me? And you know, I just love it all. I love the shape. I love everything about this set. Once again, thank you so much for watching my video and coming back to my channel. If you're returning and if you're new, again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and smash that notification bell. And yeah, see you in the next one.